Shifting focus back home now, let's get you the pictures there because this is worrying as far as when it comes to the monsoon season that approaches northeast. Multiple of those states are already grappling with floods, with landslides and continuous rainfall. Let's put out those pictures coming in from various states as reports indicate that heavy rains in Assam, in Sikkim, in Tripura, in Arunachal Pradesh, in Manipur and other states have caused water levels in major rivers, including the Brahmaputra, to rise above the danger level mark. A severe flood situation that has unfolded in the Sirbhumi district of Assam, with water levels also rising when it comes to multiple rivers that are flowing above the danger mark, affecting over hundreds of villages. Road transport that has been disrupted, cutting off connectivity with Assam, with Tripura, with Mizoram and Manipur, while lakhs and lakhs of people who have been impacted because of the flood. And the district administration has now set up around 50 relief camps. Well, several of them that are said to be in the Patarkandi constituency that have been inundated due to the breach of river dams. A deep low pressure system over the Bay of Bengal that has also paralyzed the entire northeast and the Barak Valley. And many people who are said to be trapped in their homes as fallen trees and disrupted power lines have added to the chaos. Now, meanwhile, the pictures that have been coming in, let's in the meantime focus on Sikkim. As the Phidang Bridge in Mangan, which is said to be one of the worst hit areas that has suffered significant damages, as this bridge, which is said to be vital for the locals in nearby villages, and further damage could completely cut off several areas. The water level of the Tista River that is rising rapidly and has created a dangerous situation. The locals who are on high alert with the rescue teams monitoring the situation. However, if heavy rains persist, the situation could worsen. Let's get you this ground report.
Times Now is the only channel reporting from the banks of Tista River in Mangam of Sikkim, and this is one of the worst affected areas. We walked through the bridge, but Times Now has come over here to the nearest place. Yes, definitely it is very much dangerous for us also to report from this area, but Arnab, don't go much to the forward area. We'll show you the visuals as to what kind of condition over here it is. At any point of time, this entire area can slip away from where we are reporting right now. That's why we have been advised by the officials to stay and not move much, because at any point of time, this being a slippery area can flow along with the flow of water, because the water flow is so high that it has damaged number of houses. Now we'll show you the pictures of how the houses have been damaged over here. This was a shop, seems like there was a house as well. So all these houses have been damaged, and not just that, but several houses, in fact, behind that also 1, 2, 3. If we keep on moving, then there is no number so as to what kind of damage it has caused. But you see, the damage is so high that you can see the iron rods peeping out of the cemented wall, of the cemented infrastructure that was built over here. And what the officials have also been telling us, that in the near past, never ever it has happened that the water flow of Tista River has risen up towards this level. And here also we'll come forward and show that what the condition over here is. And you see here, there is no space for us to go inside, to reach inside. Definitely it seems like you can see that was a ceiling fan. Arnab, zoom in and show. It was a ceiling fan, and it seems like there was a window. At this, the water level has risen so much. The mud has accumulated over here, sand has accumulated over here, and now that's why it's not easy for us also to stand and report. But we have been giving you ground reports, update, minute to minute updates so as to what has been happening over here in Mangam district. Remember that thousands of tourists who were stranded, they have all been evacuated with the joint rescue operation of SDRF, NDRF.
Well, Tetri is connected with us right now. Tetri, keeping your safety, as a priority, if you can show us around as far as when it comes to the damage that has been inflicted because of the floods. Rains continue, alerts that have been sounded, and unfortunately, we've also lost our Jawans there because of the landslide that occurred in the area.
Well, absolutely. Rescue operations are still underway in Lanchin area. But let me tell you, we are reporting from Naga village of the Mangan district. And Mangan, as we were reporting, was one of the worstly affected area. But one by one, we'll show you the visuals so as to what kind of destructions the landslide has caused. First, I'll show you the visuals of my right hand side. That's the, rock, or I can say a part of the road that was completely slipped away due to heavy downpour in the past couple of days. And now now we'll show you the visuals of the road as well. You can see that how here on the roads as well, the entire, you can see that the cracks are there on the road because of the landslide. And on my left hand side, we'll show you the visuals of the destructions that's been caused over here. The houses are damaged, the trees are fallen, and people used to stay over here. But now there is not, in fact, a glimpse of anyone, because certainly this entire area is deserted. We'll also move forward. Arnab, keep on showing you the visuals. We'll keep on moving forward. You can see that how the basement of that particular house is entirely damaged, and that road also, you can see that's a road, that's a way, but that road is also no more. It's completely destroyed. And that house, if you can see, please zoom in and show that house, how it is tilted, and a slip, or I should say, and in fact, a slight downpour or even a slight rain could wash this entire area away. And the location also from where we are reporting right now, because this entire cracks that you're watching, if there is a downpour, then this entire area will be slipped off. And you see again that house as well, how it's tilted, and it will take just minutes to cause damage, to destroy and just wash away. We also have some of the residents over here who have been staying, and we'll speak to them so as to what was the condition over here. दादा, यहाँ पर क्या कंडीशन थी? आप आए थे पहले, पूरी घर टूट चुके हैं, सड़क भी टूट चुका है.
इसमें पहले बहुत अच्छा था, ये मेन हाईवे है इसको बॉर्डर के लिए. इसमें एक मार्केट था, पूरा बाजार था, लेकिन अभी ये फ्लड के वजह से अभी ये पूरा
टूट गया है. ये कितनी परेशानी होती है आपको एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने में, जब रोड टूट जाते हैं, घर पूरी तरह से तहस नहस हो जाते हैं, तबाह हो जाते हैं?
अभी इसमें बहुत परेशानी है. अभी जितना बारिश आता है ना, ये क्रैक बढ़ता ही जाता है. ये 2 दिन पहले का क्रैक है, फिर इसीलिए हम लोग का बहुत परेशानी है.
कहाँ जाते हैं फिर आप रहने जब इस तरह की समस्याएं आती है? तब
हम लोग ऊपर जाते हैं, इससे ऊपर. जो फ्लैट इधर है ना, इससे ऊपर हम लोग जाके उधर बैठता है. जब बारिश आता है उस टाइम हम लोग ऊपर भाग जाता है.
कई लोग इसमें घायल भी हो जाते हैं. हम देख रहे हैं घर टूट गया है, पूरी तरह से टिल्ट हो गया है, उसमें भी काफी दिक्कत होती है.
हाँ, दिक्कत तो होती है ना, अभी क्या करेगा.
Well, those are the locals there. Of course, they're saying that such kind of floods that have now wreaked havoc as far as the places that they stay. But Tetri, we're getting another update. We'll put that update out for our viewers. As far as the Chief Secretary is concerned, he's also chaired a high-level review meeting to assess the disaster situation, in particular as far as the Mangan district is concerned. And what we are learning, that the meeting is focused on resolving road blockages, ensuring evacuation of stranded tourists, and also expediting the restoration of essential services like electricity, roadways and telecommunication as well. So Tetri, as far as important meetings that are also taking place to ensure that there is smooth connectivity and all of the areas that have been damaged are restored.
Well, absolutely. Back-to-back meetings are taking place. Chief Secretary yesterday chaired the meeting. Officials are taking cognizance of the situation so as to what's happening over there. But what kind of situation on ground is, let me tell you, Times Now is the only channel who has been reporting from Sikkim. The worst hit area is Mangan, Lanchin, and behind you is Stone. Please be careful. We'll show you the visuals of the destructions as well. And these are the kind of destructions, the pictures of damage that the floods has been causing here in the district.
Been issued especially to the people and the tourists there to travel to Sikkim only after checking the latest road and weather conditions. Meanwhile, meetings that have also been taking place on the restoration of essential services like electricity, roadways and telecommunications. Times Now continues to get you the ground situation from the areas that have been affected because of the floods.